Hello, good afternoon, namaste. I am Chef Ankit from IIHM Bangalore. First of all, I would like to thanks to Amul to give me this opportunity, and I would like to thanks to Dr. Bose, our chairman, and our director, Mr. Sanchari Chaudhary, and the team IIHM. Today we are going to make paneer steak, which is a my version of paneer tikka. So let's start. It's a very simple recipe. For that, we need one cooking pot, flame on medium. Then we'll take 1 liter of Amul Gold because we are making fresh paneer. Increase the flame little and keep an eye on it, otherwise it will boil and come out. Because meanwhile, until it get boil, जब तक ये उबल नहीं जाता, हम लोग मसाला बनाएंगे. A spice mix from the things which is easily available in your homes. I'm making this tandoori masala. So for that, first we'll take salt, black salt. ये वही चीज़ है जो आपको घर में इजीली मिल जाएंगी. हाफ टी स्पून ऑफ गरम मसाला, some amchur powder, dry ginger 1/4 teaspoon, a nice tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then we also add some kasuri methi. It's like a 1 teaspoon. Then some chaat masala. This is around 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. We also will add some garlic. I'm taking 2 garlic cloves and little ginger. So for the garlic, we'll punch like this and start chopping it. ये कोई ऐसा सामान नहीं है जो आपको स्पेशली बाहर से जाकर लेना पड़े. ये सब सामान घर में इजीली अवेलेबल होता है. ऐसे हम जिंजर को भी चॉप करेंगे. जैसे हम चाय बनाते हैं बस वैसे ही जिंजर को पंच करना है नाइफ की हेल्प से और चॉप. मैं यहाँ पे पेस्ट यूज नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि जो पनीर मैं कुक करूँगा वो मैं ज़्यादा देर के लिए नहीं करूँगा. सो चॉप होने से कहीं बाइट आएगा कहीं नहीं. जब हम रेसिपी को ट्राई करेंगे, टेस्ट करेंगे. सो नाउ इन दैट हमें नींबू की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. तो हाफ लेमन जूस स्क्वीज, a little more. स्पून से इसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. अब बारी आती है इसमें सरसों का तेल डालने की. इससे एक बहुत ही शार्प फ्लेवर मिलेगा. जैसा कि हर तंदूरी मसाले में होता है, जब हम खाते हैं तो एक शार्प फ्लेवर आता है, वो सरसों के तेल से ही आता है. नाउ मिक्स वेल. How much masala you need to add into the paneer, it depends on your taste. You eat spicy food or you eat less spicy food, you can adjust as per that. Now we'll take 1 green chili, knife, and we'll chop. जितना बारीक हो सके उतना बारीक हम काटेंगे। अगर आप चाहें तो ग्राइंडर का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट इसको दरदरा रखेंगे तो बेटर है। ज़्यादा पोरस, डोंट मेक अ पेस्ट। अभी जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं कि दूध में बबल बनने शुरू हो गए हैं, उबाल आने लगा है। टेम्परेचर थोड़ा कम करेंगे और वेट करेंगे जब तक कि मिल्क इट्स नॉट कम टू बॉयल। Now we'll try little. It's okay. दूध को हमें कडल करना पड़ेगा, इसे फाड़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें इसका छेना बनाना है। तो उसके लिए हमें 1 नींबू लगेगा। आप चाहें तो विनेगर का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। जब हम इसमें नींबू डालेंगे तो हम धीरे धीरे करके डालेंगे, एक साथ नहीं डालेंगे। आप देख सकते हैं कि दूध में उबाल आने लगा है। गैस को लो करेंगे और हमें इसे सिर्फ कडल करना है, कुक नहीं करना। आप देख सकते हैं ये कडल होना शुरू हो गया है। आधा नींबू और आप देख सकते हैं कि दूध अब कडल हो चुका है। और वेट करते हैं, जब ये पूरी तरीके से कडल हो जाएगा तब हम इसको स्ट्रेन करेंगे और आगे का प्रोसेस शुरू करेंगे।
Chef, they're asking what is the name of the recipe? Some of the viewers.
Actually, it's a complete Indian recipe. I give the name a paneer steak. Steak is actually, the word is come from the French cuisine. Any piece of meat, we call it steak, which is grilled in the pan or in the grill, and we eat it with the sauce, with the mashed potato and other things. So I just give the name to the dish, because when we make paneer tikka, what I found usually, whenever I eat paneer tikka, we marinate it for couple of hours, but the flavor or the masala will remain on top, it doesn't go inside, and when we bite it, we don't feel masala inside, we don't have that flavor inside. But from this recipe you can get that flavor in your paneer tikka or a paneer steak. Alright, you can see milk is curdled. Now we're going to strain. For that, we need a strainer. We also take a muslin cloth. First, you wet the muslin cloth. All right. Now, and get chain into it. You can see how fine it is. Sorry. You can see how fine it is. Yeah. Usually when we make paneer, what we do, after this process we will take it and plunge into the cold water, but in that case I'm not doing it because paneer is a citrus now. I add lemon juice. I don't want to remove that flavor. So now before we tie up, we take the muslin cloth and we put it back into the spot, and again we put muslin like that. Now we'll take that, we take this spice blend, the tandoori one, and we mix now. Mix nicely. It is a very long process. It usually takes 4 to 8 hours to set the paneer when we making fresh at home or in shop, wherever. I need to add on. It is as per my taste. If you like less, you can add less. I like little spicy and tangy, so I'm adding all the masala whatever I make. Chutney, squeeze it. You can see I didn't add any flavor to it. No, sorry, I'm so sorry. Any color. If you would like, you can use color, but as per my suggestion, if you don't add, it is better. Now you can taste it. This is the time you can adjust the seasoning in it, because once it's set you cannot do anything. So now I think we need little salt in it. We add salt, black salt and normal salt, and some amchur powder. Now put it back on this mix into a muslin cloth.
Chef, there is one more query from Preeti Suri. She is asking, can't we take ready-made paneer and crumble it?
No, you cannot take a ready-made paneer because it's already set and all the moisture is come out. You know, it is very difficult to work with that. You will grate it, but you will not get the texture. You can grate it, okay, or you can pass through the sieve. You can take the paneer, you can take this type of sieve and you pass through. You will get like a paste. In that you will do, it will not come out because it will not get set. Now we'll tie up and keep a weight on top of it to settle down. And the water what is there, don't throw it. You can use in dough kneading, in soups and in other things. Cutting board. Now just twist, take it like that and tie. Okay. So there is one more thing. Whenever you are making paneer and you are tying that chena in a muslin cloth, don't put like this. Don't put like this and put weight on top. You know what happen? If you put like this, it will go down and make a hole in between. So always this side like that, and one cutting board on top, and you can use the same utensil what is there for the weight. You can fill it up with water like that. Don't worry, it's dirty, it's fine. So we already keep our paneer, alright. To set it up, Meanwhile, we'll prepare the vegetable and pineapple what we're going to serve with. Okay, just leave it. It is a process which takes 6 to 8 hours. To save my time and as well as yours, I made it in advance and keep. For the vegetable, first we'll prepare the vegetables. For that, we'll take pan, medium heat, and wait until pan gets hot. So for that, we have tomatoes, capsicum, and shallots. This is shallots, or we also call it sambar onion, which is easily available in Bangalore. But if you cannot find, you can use a normal onion. We are not going to cook all of these vegetables at the same time because the cooking temperature and time is different. Now, pan is quite hot. Oil. And we'll add shallots. Not too much. That's the short on out. Very important. Reduce the heat little. Now, take it out. Again, some oil. This time, capsicum. Try to do it on a little high flame or a medium flame. Because we don't want to cook it completely. We want to sear the outer skin. सिर्फ बाहर से सिर्फ कलर देना और हल्का सा पकाना है. सेम चीज़ टमाटर के साथ. ये कुक होने लगा है. सारे वेजिटेबल वापस डालेंगे. थोड़ा बटर. You want to give a flavor. Now reduce the heat. Take a spoon and You need to remember this, I'm using a salted batter. So be careful when you are adding something else. If you are adding for the salt or any other something. Now I will add some chili powder and some chaat masala. Ready? Take it out. Now we'll take another pan to grill the pineapple. We call it griddle. If you don't have this pan, you can use a normal frying pan. That's fine. इसको गर्म होने का टाइम देंगे, उसके बाद हम इसमें तेल डालेंगे।
Ankit Chef,
Yes.
there are viewers who want you to speak in Punjabi.
Punjabi, I cannot speak Punjabi. I can speak in Hindi if they like. Alright, now it's hot enough. Pile in the griddle. उसको ठीक से अच्छे से फैलाएंगे। और अब पाइनएप्पल ग्रिल करेंगे। Whenever you grill something, जब भी आप कुछ ग्रिल करेंगे तो उसमें से ऐसा साउंड आना बहुत जरूरी है। Then increase the heat more. Because anyhow हम लोग पाइनएप्पल ऐसे ही खा सकते हैं, इसका फ्रूट। ग्रिल करने से इसके अंदर शुगर होता है, उसका कंटेंट बढ़ जाता है और ये और स्वीट हो जाता है और सॉफ्ट। And it goes very well with grilled meat or any grill item. So you can see now on pineapple the grill marks.
Can we use canned pineapple?
No, you cannot use canned pineapple because canned pineapple they submerge it in the water and they are very very strong. We need a robust pineapple.
So we only need fresh pineapple,
Yes,
right?
fresh pineapple.
Okay.
Now it's done. Turn off the gas. Take it out. Sure. Plate. Now we'll cook paneer, which I made already. With the same process.
Chef, people are asking for tandoori masala recipe.
Tandoori masala recipe they can get from my Facebook page and from my blog. My blog is Food Speaks by Ankit Banswal at blogspot.com. So they find this recipe and other recipes from there. Okay, I will tell you in a very quickly what we need. We need lemon juice, we need Kashmiri chili powder, we need salt, we need chaat masala, we need black salt, we need garam masala, We need kasuri methi and coriander powder. So our vegetable is ready. Now let me show you after that process what I did at the beginning. This process, what you will get? You will get this. This is all paneer. Alright, you can see with tandoori marination in each and every bite. Now again, medium pan. Keep the pan on medium heat. And now oil. Now we'll add paneer into it. We're not going to cook it too much. So after this, we're going to plate. We'll give little color to it because we had raw garlic, raw ginger. We cook for short period of time. And please don't try not to use it, particularly in this recipe. If you are using a normal paneer and you are making a marination or tikka, so you can use paste, ginger garlic paste. But in this recipe, please do not use ginger garlic paste. Use only chopped ginger garlic by hand.
Can this paneer be grilled on a griller?
Yes, you can, but you need more time to try the paneer and put a weight on mushroom dough. You need more time for that, so it becomes stiff, and you need to prepare it in 1 day advance. So paneer become firm in the chiller, in the freezer. So sorry, not in the freezer, but in the fridge. Okay, now we're going to plate it as a starter, and you also can plate it as a main course. So first, paneer, you can put 2 to 3 pieces. Then we'll put pineapple. Tomatoes. Capsicum. and shallots or sambar onion. Coriander leaves on top, and very important thing, chutney. You can use your own chutney recipe, or if you need this one, you can get it on my page, YouTube, or from my blog. I'll show you one more plate. This is, we can serve as a starter. And for that, first you keep chutney, then we cut paneer in little bigger pieces, put it, same way, tomato, so grilled tomato what we made before, capsicum, onion, grilled pineapple, spring of coriander. Don't put, just drizzle small on top of it like that. And very important, lemon. So this is a paneer steak, grilled pineapple and vegetable. Thank you and enjoy please.